Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the like button, give me a thumbs up on the video, and then also click on the bell button to get notified every time I post a new video. And in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and also installation. And this is of the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro. And this one in particular is the UB Pro for the rooting, and this is for the Galaxy A12 smartphone. So let's see what comes inside the box. This is the whole package. It's in red. So you can see the case, how it looks like. And it gives you the installation guide. And this is the holster that you have for it. Here's the case itself. Okay, so you start separating the case from the red part, the main part of the phone. Let me go ahead and do that all around. There you go. So this is the front part of the case. So you have to basically separate it from the inner case itself, like I just did. It does have a protective screen, which you remove. And then you put in the phone. Go ahead and do that. So once the phone is properly installed, make sure the buttons are where they're supposed to be. You just put it back into the case itself. Okay, so here's the phone already installed onto it. Basically, you just put it back, and that's how it looks like all around. It has the cover protections for the headset and then also for the charging, and then it has the holes for the speakers and everything else, as well as the camera, the power buttons and volume. And then for this thing here, you just remove it when you're ready to start using it. And here's the holster in case you do want to use it. You basically put it in and it snaps into place, and you're ready, have it to go anywhere. And then you just pop it out when it's ready to go. So let me know what you think. Leave a comment. I'll leave a link. I bought this one in particular from Amazon for my phone. Like I said before, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much.